Hello guys, welcome to the another video. So to get the digital passcode, this all the information is here. Okay, in this step you need a digital passport size photo, so you can take from your mobile as well, but my advice, you should go to the shop and get the photo from there, and get an email and just upload. So I have in my computer, I'm gonna upload from my computer. So I will take or upload a digital photo. Continue. So it is the instructions here, so which photo you should upload it, and you can watch this short video as well. So I'm gonna upload from my computer. Okay guys, good luck for your application. If you have any question, please you can leave your comments. I will try to answer your questions. Thank you so much.